So I want to discuss Lite Salt. This is an important part of my keto regimen. Very important to keep those electrolytes balanced. When you're doing keto, your kidneys drop a lot more sodium, and this is basically 50% sodium chloride and 50% potassium chloride. So that way you can get your salt and you can get your potassium all in one dose. I typically mix this in my Keto Aid, which is basically just water and salt. Sometimes I add stevia and lemon juice to it. These cans are about $4. You can also make your own by just buying regular salt and buying new salt. I just usually buy these canisters though, rather than mix my own because I'm not sure it's actually cheaper. I would have to do the math on that. This can be a little hard to find some places. You know, you probably find this at a Walmart, but a lot of smaller grocery stores don't even usually carry this. It does have iodine in it, so I'm below the maximum recommended limit, but I'm definitely over the daily dose on it. So if you're concerned about getting too much iodine in your diet, you know, you may want to mix your own.